Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing on this beautiful day? Y'all, I haven't made a video in almost a month. Well, actually, I made that video over a month and I posted it like 3 weeks ago. But I thought that I would just do like a come with me for the day video. I see a lot of these on here, so I thought, why not? Let me try it. Y'all, please, when you can't do that old-fashioned row your boat ABC 60-second hand wash, make sure you get up under those nails. Yes, I'm on my way to get my nails done. I have been washing my hands so much, my nails are lifting like crazy. So anyways, yeah, make sure you get your good old-fashioned hand sanitizer. I'm actually going to make a video of how to make your own hand sanitizer, because here in Georgia, Atlanta, I don't actually stay in the city of Atlanta. I stay in a suburb on the outskirts of Atlanta. Excuse me, y'all. It's been a long day. I'm tired. You know, everybody's going crazy about this coronavirus. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to make your own personal hand sanitizer, because right now there's really none on the store. You might have to order some from Amazon, Walmart or something. So it's pretty simple. I'm going to show you guys how to make it. If you look on the back of the ingredients, you can pretty much make this stuff yourself. Most of what's in hand sanitizer is like 99% non-alcohol. So I'm going to make a short video on that, as well as how to wash your hands properly. I am in the medical field. I know most of you guys don't know that, because majority of my YouTube career, or whatever you want to call it, not career, journey, I have pretty much been like a stay-at-home, quote unquote, you know. But your girl's been busy for the last 6-7 years. I mean, 6-7 months. So, anywho, I got my coffee, my Starbucks coffee. It's kind of cold, but that's all right. And I'm actually going to move you guys, because as soon as I put my car in reverse, you're going to go flying off of here. And I like my camera the long way, because I feel like when it's the short way, guys, yeah, excuse this sunlight. The sun is finally out. It's like we have been getting a little bit of sunlight, then a lot of rain. A little bit of sunlight, then a lot of rain. So the sun is out today. It was out Saturday. It was a beautiful day Saturday. That's my type of weather. But yeah, it's so many things I got to do. First of all, I got to get my nails done. Like I said, I've been washing my hands so much that my nails are lifting. And when I bump them, they hurt so bad. So I've been cutting them off, or cutting them down. Another thing, I got to get an oil change. I hope that light is not effing up my videos. Anyways, I gotta get an oil change. My camera is broke, like I showed you guys. It's not broke, but it's at a place on my car, so I have to get that fixed, because if that whole camera falls off, that's like $1,000 and something. So no, we're trying to avoid that, and I don't think my insurance will cover that, because I think that's more of a cosmetic feature or whatever. Child, these cars these days cost so much because all this crap they put on them. You know, although I have a camera in my car, I still tend to look back. You know, but yes, y'all, they brought those people here that were affected, and I actually don't stay very far from where they brought those people in that were affected with the coronavirus. I don't stay very far from that base. So it's like, you know, talk about a girl being nervous. Y'all, where I put my camera at, all you see is the jiggly. All you see is the jiggly. the blah 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 down here. That's what I call it, the wobble wobble, the jiggly. But I ain't complaining. My face looks so fat, my neck and whatever, when this camera's at this angle. But it's nothing I can do about it. Like I told y'all, the inside of my car is built really weird. So I gotta go with the flow. But how y'all like my new glasses? These is my new glasses. These is my, can you see them? They got like flowers around them. These is my spring/summer glasses. I really wish I could wear contacts so I can start back wearing sunglasses. But every time I try contacts, and I've tried every contact, it seemed like known to man kind of, after maybe an hour, I start to get a headache. And I have to take them out. So it is what it is. I just can't wear contacts. I probably, you know, once I move, if I ever move from Atlanta, I probably could start back wearing contacts. But as of now, for the last 2-3 years, I can't wear them. We are on the road again. Y'all, I just recorded 2 YouTube videos for, you know, my YouTube world. Because I haven't been on YouTube in a while. It's been, I think the last video I recorded was over a month. But I uploaded about 3 weeks ago. But anywho, y'all, looked around and realized I ain't got no food. Nor do I have any gas in this car. So it's like, and I wanted to clean out my car, but I don't think that's going to be possible because it looks like it's getting ready to rain. So yeah, I guess my car, oh, this car is nasty, y'all. I'm ashamed of this car. But I don't have any food, and I plan on doing a me day tomorrow where I don't want to leave the house. I want to just stay in the house, and I don't have any food. And I'm not ordering no Uber Eats, no none of that, because no, I'm just not going to. I don't know why, but when I'm in this car and I'm on this, you know, on the camera or whatever, it makes me look so fat. So I look so fat, but yeah, come along with me. I don't know if I want to go to Walmart, Publix, or Kroger. Let me go get these groceries. It is raining again. Am I going out the wrong way? The door keeps closing on me. Pretty flowers, y'all. I'm gonna have to end this vlog right in Kroger because my phone is going dead. Y'all, so I was at, what's it called? Cinnamon Bun. What's the other one called? I forget the name. Okay, I was going to give me a little pretzel because I have not eaten today at all. I watched this lady literally take off her glove. Because she had these gloves on. She took the gloves and she got the girl's food, right? She took one glove off and, ooh, let me sit down because I got to tell y'all this story. Okay, so she took one glove off, rung the girl up. The glove that she took off, she put it back on and then started to proceed with somebody else's purchase after she touched the register. That is a no-no. I don't know if that company is trying to save money, but that's why they said if you can't eat at home. These people are not washing their hands. Hello, guys. Hello, family. I have not been on the tube for a little while. Excuse that sound in the background. It's hot outside. I have the air conditioner. I don't know why I had this sweater on. Got this sweater on earlier this morning. It was freezing cold outside. Like, I had to wear my coat, so I just assumed, I didn't even check the weather channel. I just assumed that it was still cold outside. I mean, it's not hot enough to wear no shorts or go swimming or nothing like that.